He was skinny, had broken bones and mange, and so the family scooped him up and nursed him back to health, and named him Rufus. Shortly after, they realized they didn't have enough time for a puppy, and so Rufus joined my family. Since then, he has been a very energetic dog, and always loves to snuggle with anybody who will sit in the chair with him. His favorite thing is to tear around the backyard, running as fast as he can, and to chase the deer through the backyard, and to play with his fleece blanket. Rufus is one of the best dogs we've ever had, and nowhere in no time that he has been with us has he ever been a mean or vicious dog. Many people today have the misconception that pit bull terriers are vicious animals that should not be allowed in homes or public places. So much so that government has come up with BSL, breed-specific legislation. This is a ban on certain breeds in certain states throughout the United States of America. Not only this, but insurance companies have decided to stop covering these specific breeds under their homeowners insurance plans. But this is not right. Not all pit bulls are mean or vicious. In fact, according to the National Pit Bull Association, this breed is not known to be aggressive unless someone trains them to be that way. The characteristics of an American Pit Bull Terrier are confidence, strength, a zest for life, enthusiasm, and to want to save lives, not harm them.